To brush your teeth in the morning.
So my best friend sent me a holiday card, and it's just like her sweet little babies.
It should become a habit where you wake up in the morning, you brush your teeth, and you wash your
And
face.
they're so precious.
Constantly having
Yeah,
to
so
brush your teeth is a
I want to get a
Good morning, sunshine.
It was raining leaves.
It was, but we're out for a walk, and I have to walk backwards because the lighting is bad. So, yeah.
And what do I have it? This is my ugly axe. It's ugly.
Really?
And this is my square.
Really? No, Jordan.
Why
So it's Sunday. You guys gonna get this tomorrow. Everybody's out and about, and it's already Sunday.
I'm curious. I'm really curious why you buy so many shoes. Yeah.
It's none of your business what I buy, Jordan. Is it your money?
No.
Okay then. Why you have a problem with what I buy? You always have a problem with what I buy, what's in my cup. You're always in my business. Always in my business. See, the lighting is really bad. Like if I turn the camera this way, I get great lighting. But any other way. Oh look, the King Ranch.
Yeah. I like it.
I'm not paying no $50,000 for no car. That's a great way to go bankrupt.
This little guy walks so slow.
I'm rethinking about whether or not I want to get a new car, because I'm like almost finished paying off my Ford Focus. That I don't even want to get a new car. I just want to stick with what I have. I'm so tired. I want to sit. What?
You think you're gonna stick with what you have?
I just thought about it last night.
Because if that's the case, then you can just have my Explorer. You're not gonna use that car.
No. Let's scratch that idea. I'm not having your Explorer.
That don't make no sense. I'm using the family car to go to work.
Because it's your car?
Huh?
Because it's your car?
No, I know, but it doesn't make sense. Like, we're not saving there.
Where is he? Where is he? Where is he?
Save so much more money.
Hi! Say good morning, sunshine. He's not having it today. Like, look at the lighting this way versus this way. It's bad. Really, Jordan?
Sorry.
They have a Roots. Is it Roots? Roots Chris Steakhouse. Chris Roots. No, we're going to have to I'm not walking all the way to the Rio because I know it's going to be a lot to walk back. Ooh, I am exhausted already.
It's right there.
Right there?
Where are you going?
It's right there.
Oh.
Smooth sidewalk.
Jordan, if you hit me, it's not going to be nice. I'll see you guys when we get in the store.
He sucked it. I was like, ugh. I was like, why'd
You're worried about your son sucking
Why'd
a
you
sucker?
have to get that damn... What? I'm not talking about you, Jason. Move.
So we're coming back from the store. I have oil, bread, and Jackson's backpack. Like, why do I have Jackson's
That's a
backpack
nest.
and Jackson's back here, all carefree?
Because they gotta keep their birds.
So I'm going home. I found a couple bags of banana for $1. They're like overripe, so we're gonna make banana fritters. So that's what we're having for lunches. Banana fritters.
Buñuelos, no?
Who?
Buñuelos.
Bolelas?
Buñuelos.
Buñuelos?
Buñuelos.
buñuelos.
Yeah.
We're having buñuelos for lunch.
From your way.
And our son is sucking a sucker.
Look,
A big old sucker.
it goes all the way up there.
Look at the trees.
Oh, yeah.
Like it's so... There's no sun out today. I want to keel over. I've been walking for like 2 hours now. Is it 2 or 1.5?
Long time though. My feet hurt.
My back hurts. My back hurts. So I'll see you guys when I get in the house. What house? The house over there? The old house? Yeah, there's a house over here
You ate my donut?
that they're building up around.
You sure?
It has no address and it's been there for years. And the funny thing is, before they started building up around it, there was no roads or anything leading to it. So I don't know how. I guess it never had an address or something. Maybe it did. Who knows? So I'm gonna go. It probably used to have one. So I'm gonna go research online to find out because it got me curious. So yeah, my arm hurt. I gotta go. Guys, you want some? I walked for 2 hours and I eat a donut. That's how you do it. This is
Destiny, you can get your donut now.
this is
I mean this.
white chocolate thingy.
Oh, you spelled it right.
I don't care what it is. It tastes good. So my husband is like, let's go somewhere.
We're
So,
not walking. No.
we don't even know where we're going. That's the thing about us. We never have anywhere to go, but we're always on the go. What's his problem? What's your problem? You want your jacket? Honey, he wants his jacket.
You want to wear my jacket? You don't need it. You're going to be hot. Dirty has a long sleeve on.
For once, honey's gonna drive my car.
Yeah, you can drive later.
Jackie, you gotta go in the back. You gotta go. We're about to go on the road. Don't worry, guys. We're still in our complex. I'm about to put him in the back. Hey, woo! I'm about to put this child in the back. I'll be right back. Okay, so we got rid of the baby out of the front of the car. And we're on our way to Ross. Ross is like fairly inexpensive. So that's where I'm gonna go because today is Sunday and I don't even have my baby buys for the week. So we're gonna go there and see if I can find like a blanket. Their blankets are usually like $4.99. I haven't purchased any blankets yet because I don't know the gender and I hate gender neutral blankets. I hate them. But if I find one that's like really pretty, I'll go ahead and get it. But if it's not to my liking and I don't like it, we're not getting it. But yeah, we're just on the hunt for some cheap baby buys because this week we are like
no traffic.
We are like broke this week. Like usually rent week when we pay our rent, we're like completely broke. Like after we pay all of our bills and stuff. So I'm gonna go and see what I can find on a budget. So yeah. So we end up all the way out here by his mom. We went to get some stuff. This is what we're doing.
Con rica mantequilla para cenas compartidas. O unas crujientes hash browns para esos antojos al mediodía. ¿Qué tal?
Why? My husband is
Barbecuing a
grilling.
little chicken.
No, my husband is grilling.
A whole chicken.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces of chicken. Just because the weather is 72 degrees outside, he wants to barbecue 7 pieces of chicken.
Yep.
Why? Like why? Explain to the people why.
Because I love to cook. Outside.
So, the kids are on the swing. They're over there. So, we'll see you guys on Wednesday.
I don't know where to look. Do I look at the phone or do I look at the camera? So now I look like I'm looking at the people.
Yeah, right there.
Okay, so now I'm staring at them.
Yes, now you're staring at them.
So my best friend sent me a holiday card, and it's just like her sweet little babies. They are so precious. Yeah, so I need to get a yeah, I need to get a little holder for it. But anyways, I am going to bed. I'm going to bed. I'm going to bed. Look at my belly. Look at that. It's just 6 weeks. Let me turn it around. So, this is 6 weeks. And I have a pudge. I am so bloated. I'm so bloated. Like, yeah, this is nothing but. I'm getting a lot of stuff. But yeah, look like I'm 6 months pregnant. But we are going to bed. We go to bed. We are going to bed. Now before we go to bed, I'm gonna eat me a banana. I got all this banana, guys. Look. $1 for all that banana. Wait. All that banana, guys. Anyways. Where's Jack? Where's Jack, guys? Why are we watching these ugly people? My sweet princess. My handsome husband. Looky who's down here. He's eating flan. Flan. Okay, guys. See you tomorrow. Love you guys. Bye. I almost forgot. Don't forget, you guys are my sunshine, and don't forget to shine bright. Good night, guys.